The 2015 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, fog lights, power windows, CD player, electronic stability control, trip computer, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, cloth seat trim. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.